In this video, I'm going to tell you how to install Google Drive on Windows 11. So first, open any browser like Chrome. I am opening Chrome. You can open any browser you want. After that, search for Drive. Open this drive.google.com website. Now here at the top right corner, you can see this icon. Click on this. And here is the pop-up to install Google Drive. Just click on install and done. And there is second option also. Click on these three dots. Scroll down. Now click on cast, save and share. After that, here is the option install Google Drive. Click on it. And here is the pop-up. Just click on install and you have installed Google Drive on your device. So this is simple and easy. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.